What happens if you're going for business funding and you get to the bank and you notice you have the wrong NACA code that will probably deny you funding? I'm going to give you solutions so you will not get denied funding. Welcome back to the channel where we're covering business and personal credit, entrepreneurship, and credit repair. If you're interested in the Patreon where we got our downloadable ebooks and other value, links will be in the description and in the comments. And remember, we also have 2 more books dropping soon. The credit repair ebook that covers business funding and personal funding. It also covers business and personal credit. And our main exclusive book that we have dropping will be a book on how to fight debt collectors. Okay, know your laws. All right, so what happens if you get to the bank and you have the wrong NACA code? I talked about in past videos of how you have to have all of your data points lined up. You have to have all of your paperwork in line to be presentable to a lot of these branch managers that you go into and talk with. All right, because these are going to be some of the main people that are going to be making the decisions on whether they feel comfortable giving you funding or not. Now, remember what I said about the NACA codes in one of my last videos. One thing about NACA codes, if you have the wrong NACA code, okay, and you're in a risky field, a lot of the branch managers and banks, they look at that as a high risk. They will not give you or extend you credit, okay, or any kind of funding, even if it's lines of credit cards. They will not extend that to you if you're in a risky field. All right, if you're in trucking, that's a risky field. If you're in real estate, that is a risky field to be in. Some individuals may say, well, you make a lot of money from real estate. Yeah, but you also have individuals, okay, that are not consistent in real estate. Okay, just because you sell a couple of houses today don't mean that you will be able to sell a couple of houses for the rest of the year. All right, and that's how the bank look at this. So it's not like a consistent income coming in. All right, so the thing is this: you want to have the correct NACA codes. All right, in order to present a green flag to the banks. All right, now what are some of the NACA codes that you can get? For some individuals, you can use a NACA code such as retail, okay, or online stores. Okay, some individuals also use the consulting or business consulting. All right, because the thing is this: if you're offering some kind of like business consulting or anything like that, for example, I'm not saying do that, but I'm just saying if you have a NACA code that is related to that, some banks will look at it like, okay, he or she is a source that is providing information on how to start a business. Okay, so they're looking at you more so as a person or another entity that is helping individuals start businesses. And we don't know, these businesses that you're helping start may be the next Apple or maybe the next Google. We don't know, maybe the next Fortune 500. All right, they don't know that, but they are saying that if you're offering these services, okay, just as an example, then hey, you're helping better the economy, and you're helping possible big businesses take off down the line. All right, so this is how they look at it, and that's just one thing. All right, that's just one. What you can do, you can go on to Google, or you can join some Facebook groups, and you can get with a group. This is why I also talk about networking. Your network is your net worth. All right, you have to network with like-minded individuals and individuals that have already succeeded in what you are trying to do. Okay. So what you can do is that you can join these Facebook groups, and when you join these Facebook groups, okay, you can have, let me turn up this, okay, so when you join these Facebook groups, sorry about that, you can get with a group and you can discuss, okay, what are a list of green flag NACA codes? What are the NACA codes that everybody are using, okay, to get the correct funding, okay, from these banks? So when you go into banks, you're not looking crazy, and you're not going into the bank losing already. Some individuals going to the bank because they do not have things lined up. They're already going and losing. All right, so you don't want to do that. So get with those Facebook groups, y'all. Network with like-minded individuals, and come up with a list of NACA codes that are bank friendly. This is my video, and I will catch all of you beautiful supporters on the up and up. And remember, if y'all interested in the Patreon and all of those downloadable valuables, all right, links will be in the description and in the comments, y'all. Outie.